Thank you for your interest in PetPal Automatic Wi-Fi Pet Feeder for the pet or pets in your family. PetPal will make life so much better for you and your pets because you won't have to worry about forgetting to feed them or finding someone to feed them while you're away. While you're watching this video, we will send you a text and an email that will provide you with ongoing updates as we make our way into production. I'd also like to invite you to check out our website at gopetpal.com. I've included links to follow us on Twitter, like us on Facebook, join us on Google+, and of course, watch some more videos on YouTube about PetPal. We will be posting many more videos of our journey to share our progress with you. I'm Ken Powers, the creator of PetPal, and again, thank you for your interest in PetPal.